Almost everything is manufactured, from the furniture in our rooms
to the toothbrush you hopefully used this morning.
If you didn't grow it from the ground,
chances are it was manufactured.
Many of the things we take for granted every day,
like the walls in our homes,
to the beds we fall asleep in.
These items are a staple in all of our lives.
And most times, we don't even think twice about them.
Some items are manufactured small,
and others are manufactured big.
They are built in factories and plants all around our community.
And that's what we'll discover today.
Welcome to the manufacturing industry.
The manufacturing industry is one of the fastest growing industries around, and there are many companies looking to hire now.
Manufacturing is the process of converting raw materials, components, and parts that meet a customer's expectations or specifications.
Manufacturing commonly employs a manned machine setup with division of labor in a large-scale production.
And the manufacturing industry is driving innovation.
We are Ready to Eat Meal Company, based in Tampa, Florida. Been here for about 11 years.
So we deliver to 11 over stores. We have 11 stores here in Florida, one in Atlanta. We also distribute to home delivery customers and FedEx customers.
It's like a very fast-paced environment, yes, but you have people around you that's been there longer than you that'll help you out. And if you have any questions, you can always just go to them without hesitation.
So our entry-level jobs are Simply workers. We have our home delivery teams that are preparing the packages that are going out to individual customers. We have our cold prep team in the evenings in the kitchen. That's an entry-level position. And then, of course, our retail stores also have.
As far as the training, we offer all the training that is necessary here for culinary. We have a very thorough onboarding process that will help you in other areas, if it's logistics, if it's assembly. We provide the training you need to perform the job duties.
The best part of FitLife Foods are the people. It's the connections we make within our teams. It's the ability to grow and expand in an individual way, and it's the focus on well-being.
The people here at FitLife Foods are very kind, and they're very easy to talk to. Sometimes they even come to you, and they'll even make you feel more comfortable so that you can be able to work in a very fun environment.
So in FitLife Food, we look for individuals who can bring a lot of passion to the workforce. People that are committed to the work they do, they're responsible.
You have to show up every day to work. You have to have a great attitude, and you have to just be on time and be dedicated to get your work done.
We will train them on how to do their job, come in with that fresh perspective, that attitude of I'm ready to connect with others, and we'll do the rest.
So as far as benefits, we offer, the typical dental, vision, health plans, insurance, paid PTO, vacations, and holidays.
We hire entry-level employees that are still in high school. Some of our positions start at age 17. Other positions require you to be 18 or older. Just depends on the role.
FitLife Foods is the best place to work because, it's the family environment.
As long as you're willing and able to learn, we're willing to invest in you.
FitLife is the best place to start at so you can grow into what you want to become.
Manufacturers in the U.S. contribute to more than 3/4 of all private sector research and development in the nation.
There are nearly 12.5 million manufacturing workers in the United States, accounting for the 8.5% of the workforce.
That means if the U.S. manufacturing industry was its own economy, it'd be the 9th largest economic power in the world.
Over the next decade, nearly 3 million manufacturing jobs will likely be needed,
which means more high-paying job opportunities for you.
Palm Harbor Homes has been here in Plant City since 1978. We've been a large staple here in the community, and we build homes. We manufacture homes here in our manufacturing plant environment, and we build them from the ground up in a true assembly line type fashion. We build a beautiful, affordable home.
When I graduated Strawberry Crest High School, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I had a buddy who's a sales manager here, and he told me that they were hiring at Palm Harbor Homes, so I came and got an interview.
Typical day, you know, I come in with a smile on my face. I'll say what's up to the boys in the wall department, electric department, roof department, everybody. You know, we all have our own lingo, our own slogan. You know, we'll say something across the field.
It's just nice being able to come in, see different people and new faces every day.
We want to hire people that have a great attitude, that have a willingness to learn, that have a strong work ethic, that are going to be here every day and give it 110% and be a great part of our team.
People here are very, very friendly, very easy to get along with. They're fun and always have energy to work and just fun being around.
We have amazing medical, dental, vision, life, long-term, short-term disability, 401k. We have personal time off that you start earning the first week that you work with us.
There's a lot of benefits that come with it. You can learn a lot of different things, especially depending on what department you work in. You can take that knowledge outside of here.
Really, coming out of high school, you can get almost any one of our jobs. We train, learning the ins and outs of the jobs, learning how to be familiar with state code, blueprint. So you're gonna have a really good, solid idea of what you're gonna be doing before you hit the plant floor.
They gave me a chance, you know, to get the experience I need. They definitely taught me to do the job. I'm a very fast learner, so I pick up a lot of everything.
I think Palm Harbor Homes is a great opportunity, especially for somebody coming right out of high school who maybe doesn't really know what you want to do, what direction you want to go. We can take you, put you in our plant, teach you a trade, teach you a skill. That's a lifelong thing that you can have no matter if you stay with us 10, 20, 30 years or if you move on to something else. It's always something that you can have with you.
You come in every day with a good attitude, you'll have a good day, and just be ready to work.
And if you're more of a hands-on person, it's a great job to do.
Working with the different types of people here, it just makes it a great place to come and work every day.
We want to be the best, we want our homes to be the best, and we want to be the best place to work.
Manufacturing is a fast-growing, large-scale production industry that has so many opportunities for anyone who is willing to work hard and wants to make a difference.
There are tons of job opportunities that will produce positions that are satisfying and fulfilling for anyone looking for a great career.
And the training and certifications for these jobs are available to you right now at places like HCC, Hillsborough County Technical Colleges, and your own high school.
And more training and certifications
means more money in your pockets.
So if you're up to the challenge of being part of an incredible career,
check out the manufacturing industry.
They're not only making things here great in the community,
they're also making things great.